the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. And I invite the Vice-Chancellor, Professor Julie Lydon, to address this congregation. Please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, it's my great delight to welcome you on this special day. This really is a special occasion. Formally, it is our academic recognition of your considerable talent and a collective celebration of your individual endeavour. But it is also our opportunity to say thank you to everyone else here who has supported you. As graduates of the university, you are the latest learners in a line that goes back to 1841 and has its roots much further back. So why are we all wearing these medieval robes? Well, it's not just because they look great on photos or Instagram. We're doing it because it shows an unbroken link to our history as scholars at a university. You're wearing a cap, gown and hood because you're now part of a tradition of clever and hard-working people learning at a university that goes back centuries. Our story at the University of South Wales goes back to the early days of the Industrial Revolution, when some far-sighted leaders of business and their professions created small specialist institutions of higher learning to educate the brightest minds of their younger generation. They would be proud now. They would see their small colleges have grown into a major international university, adding value to our society, to our economy, and most fundamentally, to the lives of bright people like you. You're part of a vigorous academic community of all nations and beliefs. The graduates who have gone before you are making their mark, whether they studied arts or business, humanities or sciences. Across the United Kingdom and in countries around the world, there are graduates of your USW managing businesses and developing their professions. They are authors, artists, engineers, police officers, doctors and nurses. Some of them have reached the gold standard, the blue ribbon, and literally the Oscar statue at the summit of their professions. They all have something in common that goes beyond their success in work. They know that universities are not simply a generator of wealth, or a cog in a governmental growth machine, or a link in the economic chain. They know, as we do, that having a degree also has a deeper function. Graduates like you have developed the healthy scepticism and flexibility of thought that we hone through a university education. You will have challenges, but you will also have unparalleled opportunities to make a difference. You have at your fingertips the ability to access every part of human knowledge ever created and to communicate instantly with anywhere on the globe. And more than that, every one of you has talent. Every one of you has intellect. Every one of you has commitment and the capacity for hard work. And now you will have the qualification to prove it. So whilst you're thinking about everything going on today, worrying about tripping up on stage, taking your selfies in these rather unusual robes, I want to open this ceremony by telling you 3 things we'd like you to remember. You deserve to be here today. Your hard work is a real credit to you, and we are all very proud of you. Well done, and thank you.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys i aelodau'r Brifysgol ac i bawb sydd yma'n bresennol y cynerir cynulliad o Brifysgol De Cymru ar y campws hon ar y 19 o Ragfyr 2018. Heddiw, anrydeddwn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi trwy deallusrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolheigaidd eu bod yn gymwys i gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau'r Brifysgol. Drwy anrydeddu cyrhaeddiad, gadewch i'r rheini sydd yma'n bresennol gydnabod eu hymrwymiad a dathlu eu llwyddiant. Buddsodwn yn gobeithio'n yn disgwyliadau ynddynt, gan obeithio byddent yn rhoi eu talent a'i disg ger bron eu proffesiwn yn cymunedau. Hyderwn y byddent yn cyfrannu at dyfodol ein cymdeithas gyda ganrydedd a chlod.
Let it be known by members of the University and all here present that the congregation of the University of South Wales is held here on the 18th day of December 2018. Today, we honour scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the University. In honouring their achievement, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Life Sciences and Education candidates that have been awarded the Master of Science and Advanced Clinical Practitioner. Alice Alman. Sian Ashford. Deborah Davis. Nicola Dawkins. Debbie Denny. Arian Evans. Helen Lewis. Kenny Morse. Robert Stubbs. The Master of Science in Professional Practice, Lady Lee Ang. Gwylaf Kyle Maijen, Balanga. Sean Chard. Maria Christina Cruz. Nadine Doyle. Julie Harvard-Evans. Tina Hitt. Crystal Ilada. Helen Jones. Vanessa Jones. Amanda Liddon. Sarah Catherine McGrath. Honey Let Paklipan. Cheryl Palla. Iris Reardon. Lindsay Richards. Alina Sedlakova. Mandy Welsh. Nuria Zamal Casino. The Master of Science in Professional Practice, Learning Disabilities, Lindsay Davis. Michelle Hill. Rachel Morgan. The Master of Science in Professional Practice, Mental Health, Julie Karen Dobson. The Master of Science and Professional Practice Venerable Person, Annette Blackstock. The Master of Science in Public Health, Daniel Howarth. Maida Zaid Khalaf. Pauline Mould. The Bachelor of Midwifery, Rachel Bevan. Fionn Ruth Cleaton. Lowry Hannah Corns. The Dean's Prize for Notable and Outstanding Achievement, Sarah Jane Evans. Emily Hartley. Beth Ann Jones. Megan Jones. Sophia McCurdy. Lauren Morgan. Lauren Mitten. Olivia New. Jennifer Louise Oakley. Sarah Owen. Kenny Louise Richards. Amy Louise Sumpter. Bethan Marie Thomas. Kelly Louise Thomas. Nicola Jane Williams. The Bachelor of Nursing, Adult Nursing, Catherine Ace. Matilda Tohi Amadi. Nadia Anslow. Natalie Emma Bacon. Hannah Bailey. Lauren Bedford. Adam Brown. Kimberly Brown. Kami Leanne Cartwright. Lauren Elizabeth Chapman. Amelia Cockings. Gemma Louise Colclough. Juanita Maria Connolly. Sian Craddock. Sadie Creed. Charlotte Jade Curtis. Lucy Dackins. Hannah Davis. Natalie Lauren Davis. Zoe Leanne Dobson. Georgia Isabella Elston. Kenny Lee Mtaga. Mona Milgo Ali Essa. Sophie Charlotte Evans. Sarah George. Carly Griffiths. Emily Griffiths. Joanne Hancock. Victoria Harmer. Christian Kieran Hawkins. Nathan Haxton Foley. Nicola Michelle Haymans. Bethan Rhiann Howells. Carney Brooke Howells. Ross Howells. Heather John. Victoria Johnson. Bethan Jones. Chloe Jones. Craig Rutland William Jones. Georgia Jones. Jack Lewis Jones. Kelsey Jones. Nikita Jones. Ruth Jones. Scott Anthony Jones. Sean Marie Jones. Zoe Kenny. Amy Louise Kingdon. Lucy Ann Leake. Charlotte Leonard. Emma Lewis. Jenna Lewis. Jodie Lewis. Ffion Llewellyn Hughes. Joshua Gary Lloyd. Nissa Claire Lloyd. Cora Manning. Amy Marshman. Sean Marie Mather. Jessica Matthews. Stephanie Milton. Lee Morgan. Nicola Jane Morgan. Sarah Louise Morgan. Alison Morris.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. Yn perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw, mae the Tom Dalby Jazz Quartet. A byddan nhw'n chwarae from Disney's Little Mermaid, Under the Sea, Don't Get Around Much More, and to close, a festive favourite, Jingle Bells. Raddedigion a gwesteion, graduates and guests, please give a warm welcome to the Tom Dalby Jazz Quartet.
Claire Carol Mugford. Rebecca Norton. Amy Annette Paddock. Abby Power. Donna Michelle Pritchard. Carney Jane Rees. Jodie Richards. Laurianne Roberts. Nadine Claire Robinson. Rebecca Ann Rowlands. Zoe Lee Sainsbury. Ashley Elizabeth Samuel. Megan Samuel. Natasha Samuel. Catherine Mary Scarfield. Madison Blaze Shepherd. Owen Rees Stedman. Chloe Stevenson. Shanice Chantel Marie Stokes. Lauren Rebecca Taylor. Claire Marie Tellem. Chloe Elizabeth Thomas. Charlotte Thompson. Kenny-Ann White. Kaylee Naomi Wilberg. Caitlin Ruby Williams. Jenna Williams. Paula Maria Williams. Rachel Louise Williams. Shannon D. Williams. Catherine Warlock. The Bachelor of Nursing Child Health, Chloe Bountford. Bethan Lowry Butler. Laura Butler. Rachel Hannah Charles. Chelsea Marie Davis. Leah Ellis. Julie Gray. Amy Louise Grimwood. Beth Haynes. Emily Jean Harrison. Ava Isabel John. Angharad Kate Lewis. Taryn Lewis. Emily Ryan Nicholas. Valerie Price. Emily Reardon. Katie Roberts. Zara Russell. Katie Smith. Cara Christine Sullivan. Kainwen Elizabeth Tricker. Alicia Kirsten Webb. Laura Wellesby. Bryony Whitehead. The Bachelor of Nursing Learning Disabilities, Charlotte Bainton. Courtney Lewis Childs. Karen Louise Cushing. Sharon Duffin. Chloe Louise Huxley. Bethan Charlotte Jones. Laura Keys. Stephanie Lucas. Emily Victoria McCabe. Rebecca Norris. Tyler Rose Payne. Sophie Rhiannon Prosser. Karina Richards. Malena Phyllis Solvet. Kevin Sutherland. Gemma Rhian Thomas. The Paul Wheeler Award for Excellence, Sarah Ann Wildblood. The Bachelor of Nursing, Mental Health, Ryan Darrell Bailey. Lorraine Baker. Kirsty Elizabeth Dix. Megan Eady. Kirsty Eskins. Abigail Louise Gardner. Nia Elizabeth Grinnell. Rebecca Hopkins. Stuart Daniel Jones. Chelsea Langford. Katie Monaghan. Josh David Morgan. James Terry Morris. Lauren Niblet. Joanne O'Neill. Kaylee Phillips. Neil Sion. Emily Elizabeth Sweet. The Dean's Prize for Notable and Outstanding Achievement, Ashley Thomas. Samantha Jo Thomas. Natasha Williams. Samantha Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Acute and Critical Care, Myris Lloyd. Margaret Juan Gallica. Jisi Laksimi Nair. The Bachelor of Science in Community Health Studies, Specialist Practitioner District Nursing, Natalie Davis. Louise Roberts. The Bachelor of Science in Community Mental Health Practice, Bridget Bradwell. Linda Horton-Davis. Charmaine Jenkins. Lydia Jenkins. Nicola O'Neill. Davida Watkins. David Whitcomb. The Bachelor of Science in Professional Practice Healthcare Studies, Kathleen Connor Middleton. Karen Davis. Sina Devasi. Amanda Hall. Tarina Lisanne Payne. Rachel Pembridge. The Bachelor of Science in Professional Practice Nursing, Elizabeth Davis. Jamal Kurikakosi. Simon Morgan. Janice Thomas. The Diploma of Higher Education and Occupational Health Nursing, Joan Lockhart. Maureen Morrison. Hannah Perry. Sally Rose. Dawn Sampays. The Diploma of Higher Education and Occupational Health Technician, Rachel Duckett. Hannah Oakes. Caris Wareham. The Postgraduate Diploma in Diabetes, Do Shawa Shahid. The Master of Science in Sports and Exercise Medicine, Abhinadan Punit. The Bachelor of Science in Professional Practice Violence Reduction, Victor Ben Okob. The Master of Science in Sports Coaching and Performance, Damien McCardle. The Bachelor of Nursing Mental Health, Bula Ben Kosi Sigorgo. The Master of Science in Professional Practice, J.D. Pangan. Well, congratulations, everybody. Well done. Merry Christmas, Pro-Chancellor. That concludes the ceremony for the Life Sciences and Life Sciences and Education. Thank you.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and now I am the first person to call you graduates. Today has contained moments of great formal academic ceremony. For all of you in the audience, it is a moment of pride. I have been where you are as my children graduated, with still one to go. On this platform, we've shared your pride and your tears as they crossed the stage. They did it. But so many of them didn't do it alone. You supported them in so many different ways. You consoled them when they were down, you lifted them up, when they tried, you guided them, and you were there for them. We'd like to say thank you, and I think you all deserve a round of applause. For us on the stage, it is the highlight of the university year. There are 3,000 staff at this great university. They have taught, mentored, fed, supported, counselled, assisted, reminded, and encouraged these graduates. When a professor stands in front of you and lectures or leads a seminar, that person is supported by technicians, administrators, support staff, counsellors, sports ground team, students' union. Seeing your success is why we all do it. But I want to give you the chance to clap and thank everyone who has worked so hard to enable you to achieve your potential today. But graduates, most of all, it is a celebration for you. Today is more than just a public recognition of your hard work. It is more than a chance to put on some remarkably old-fashioned robes and pair them with, in some cases, some truly fabulous shoes. Today is the moment that we as an academic community say that you are one of us, that you share our values, and that you are going next to take those values out into the world. We are celebrating today the highest form of human achievement, the power to think and to challenge. That is what a university is. You've learnt specific skills in your professional discipline. We know from personal experience that the higher education this university provides is valued tremendously by your future employers. And the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is a source of justified pride. But more than that, you've learnt how to distinguish between real facts and the tangled mess of propaganda that swirls around us in this overpopulated information age. You have developed the ability to say really and how so. As an academic community of every faith, nation, and background, our deepest function is universal. It is not confined to the subject our students study or what they do next in the world of work. Our role as a university lies fundamentally in educating citizens who will ask constructively critical questions in public life. That means helping other people to see what critical argument looks like, to see what genuine thinking is, and to explore great issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectation. These are the timeless values of a university itself, and we hope that they are now your values too, as scholars and graduates of our university. The banner above the headline at the top of every edition of the Washington Post newspaper says this: democracy dies in darkness. So this is my task for you when you walk out of this hall. The Romans said that the mind was not a vessel to be filled, but a lamp to be lit. So make sure that you keep your intellect bright. After today, illuminating the world around you. Shine the spotlight of skeptical inquiry when somebody says, "We've always done it like this." Be focused like a laser when you ask, "Why not?" when you're told something is impossible. Make sure that as an educated citizen, a graduate in your subject, and now an alumnus of the University of South Wales, that you're somebody who contributes an intellectual light to whatever decisions are being made around you. You see, the most important bit of impact any university can have is to help people to become intelligent citizens. Now, you are, in a very real sense, ambassadors both for the University of South Wales and for what we are trying to achieve. Today, you move from being our students to being our alumni, but you remain part of our university with its shared commitment to the transformation of lives through knowledge and education. We trust that in your time at University of South Wales, you will have broadened your horizons, opened up pathways to exciting opportunities in your career, and imbued both with a spirit of inquiry and a desire for lifelong learning. We now wish you good luck in your future endeavours. Looking at you today, I think we ain't seen nothing yet. We rejoice in your success. You've earned this. Well done, good luck, and thank you.
I gloi'r seremoni, awnewch i sefyll ar gyfer yr anthem genedlaethol os gwelwch yn dda. To close the ceremony, please stand for the Welsh National Anthem.
Glorious Thank you.